Thomas Mayhew, eXp Realty, Ohio. Hope you're doing really great today. Wanted to talk to you about how do you make your real estate decisions? How do you get your move on? How do you know what to do, where to go, what location to choose, what kind of property to purchase? So that's what I want to chat with you about. I just have maybe a few practical tips that I want to share. One thing that, of course, I would put first on the list is to talk to an informed agent, right? Somebody that actually knows what's going on in the market, somebody that can talk to you about absorption rates and what that means, because a lot of times people don't know what that means, and just really go over the data with you and what's happening in the market, and somebody that is aware of what's going on in other markets as well. So, for example, for me, I actually have a system that lets me check what's going on in zip codes to see what's the appreciation rate, or if someday it's going the other direction, what's the depreciation rate? And that could very well make a huge impact on whether you buy or sell, of course. Check statistics yourself, of course, but beware of median prices. And why do I say that? Median prices are used all over the place. The problem is, normally if you have a normal Bell distribution curve, a median price is the center, it's the middle number, right? But what if everything's shifted over to the right a lot? That's going to skew your median statistic, in terms of what you're thinking, how that impacts, what you think about the market. So, averages are also good. Median is okay, but you got to be aware of what it is. It's good to get into the data a little bit more than that. And then what is important about that new property and location? Why are you moving there? What's your goal, or what are your goals? What's your first goal, second goal, third goal? And so when you go to make important decisions in your life, like buying a house, buying a property, buying a commercial property, buying any kind of property, recreational property, it's a big decision. It's a lot of money. It's a big commitment. If you'd like a resource that will help you to make a decision, like choosing between buying or not buying, or buying now and buying later, or buying this property versus buying that property, I've got the cat's meow. And I found this from Dr. Neil Nedley many years ago, and I can send you a handout that will help you to make decisions that are difficult otherwise, but become pretty simple through this very simple, informed process. So until then, hope you have an awesome day, and I look forward to continuing the conversation with you one day.